Alright, so I'm just going to show you how to wash your bundles. Make sure you fill up a bucket of water with lukewarm water. Add your favorite conditioner, mix well, and then add each of the bundles into the bucket. Let it sit overnight and then air dry. Also keep in mind that you want to make sure you keep the bundles attached to the little twist ties that it comes with. Do not remove or cut off the twist ties because your hair will separate into the bucket. Alright, so I'm just going to show you how I separate the hair after it's been air dried. It is very helpful if you have one of these cool tools. It's called a spool holder for thread for people who sew. And you can order these on Joann's or Amazon for $16. And so this is just going to be a nice helpful tool to kind of keep all the hair separated. And here I'm just showing you how you just grab one section of the hair out of the bundle, and then you're just gonna split it apart very gently from the top, about 2 to 3 times, each time you grab a section of hair, and then you're just gonna place that split hair onto the spikes of this spool holder. Alright, so now I'm just going to show you how I put the hair onto the crochet wig cap. The way you do it is very, very simple. All you do is you make sure you have the latch hook closed, and then you're going to insert it upside down through the braid. And then you're going to open the latch hook, insert the hair, pull it back through the braid, take the latch hook needle away, and then just tie the hair 2 or 3 times and pull it tight, and that's it. And you're going to repeat this step throughout the entire process, and you're going to place the hair onto the braids. Just follow the braid pattern. Alright, so at this point I've already put on one package of the Freetress 12-inch beach curl hair at the bottom of the wig cap. Now I am adding the 18-inch hair by Lulutress, and I'm putting that just at kind of like sporadically over the wig cap. So there's not any particular order, but you can see that I did space it out. And I am also putting some on the row above as well. But you're just gonna like place these longer pieces throughout because they will fall longer than the 12 inches. All right, now I'm just showing you how the hair looks after I finish adding in all of the entire pack of the Lulutress 18-inch hair. So I've already added it throughout sporadic places on the wig cap, just various places. It really didn't matter where I put it. Okay, now I'm just showing you the hair, the bang part. As you can see, the front part, I'm starting to put hair on the edge of the cap, and I'm making sure that the hair is falling forward. So you just want to make sure that when you insert your hair, you make your little knots, just make sure you pull the hair to fall forward, and that's what's going to create the poofy bang effect. All right, so this is the hair about 95% done. I just have that little small space at the top that I'm going to fill in with that hair right there on the spool holder, and I did use all 5 packs. All right, now the wig is complete, and now I'm just going to use some bobby pins to put it on my hair because it did not come with combs. And then you'll see me just kind of fluffing the hair out with the comb first, just to kind of get it a little bit more volume at the root. And then after I do that, I'm just going to take a small section of hair, about maybe 3 or 4 inches in width, and I'm going to start forming the bangs that I want to cut. All right, this concludes my video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one.